In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to grant accountant access to QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner or managing finances for a larger enterprise, ensuring that your accountant has the right access is crucial for maintaining accurate financial records. Let's dive into the process, which is straightforward and quick. First, you'll need to navigate to the left panel of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Look for an option labeled My Accountant. It's typically found towards the bottom of the sidebar, so just scroll down until you see it. By selecting this option, you're essentially heading to the section where you can manage your accountant's access and any other related features. Once you've clicked on My Accountant, the next step is to find the Add Accountant button. This feature is designed specifically to grant your accountant the access they need, ensuring your financial data is managed correctly. After clicking Add Accountant, you'll be prompted to enter your accountant's information. Specifically, you'll need their name and email address. This is an essential step because QuickBooks uses this information to send an invitation directly to them. When you input the name and email of your accountant, double-check for any typos. This is important because an accurate email ensures they receive the invitation without any hiccups. Once you're confident that everything is entered correctly, go ahead and send the invitation. Your accountant will then receive an email invitation from QuickBooks. For them to gain access, they need to open this email and accept the invitation. If they don't already have a QuickBooks account, they'll be guided through the QuickBooks account creation process. But most accounting professionals do have an account already, making their acceptance process a breeze. It's a seamless integration that's designed to protect your financial data while providing necessary access. And just like that, you have successfully granted your accountant access to your QuickBooks Online account. This access means your accountant can view and manage financial data on your behalf, ensuring everything is kept up to date and accurate for financial reporting and compliance. It's important to maintain this kind of easy collaboration with your accountant, as it not only helps in managing books efficiently, but also ensures that everything complies with accounting standards and laws. By following these steps, you ensure a smooth workflow and save yourself from potential headaches down the road. If you ever need to revoke this access or grant it to another accountant, you can simply revisit the My Accountant section and make the necessary changes. QuickBooks makes managing permissions easy and user-friendly, ensuring you remain in control of your business's financial data at all times. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps simplify your accounting needs with QuickBooks Online.